You thought I was gone, but I'm back. What's going on, guys? My name is Giancarlo Cooper. As you guys all probably know, today is Tuesday, May 26, 2019. There's no academic schedule because y'all are not in school. Today, it's going to be partly cloudy with a high of 81 and a low of 61. Tomorrow is going to be cloudy with a high of 79 and a low of 66. And Thursday, it's going to be rainy with a high of 80 and a low of 69. Make sure you guys stay inside and stay safe because of the troubling times we are in. And I will get back to you guys in a different video. Peace out.
Hey guys, it's Emma, and I've seen a trend going around where people find objects in their house that anyone who came into their house would just find really weird, and I've decided to try and do the same. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So we're going to start off strong with the wooden missile right next to the toilet and bathroom. I don't know why that's there. The man made out of bricks. My mom still gets mad at my dad for bringing this into our home. We also have the ancient sword just in the corner of our kitchen. Good spot. We have this lovely lamp with a duck on it. That's good. Next we have this goose. If you can tell by his name tag, his name is Bobby. He also has a friend. Some geese that are also measuring spoons. I'm seeing a theme of ducks and geese in my house now.
I'm sure there's a lot more I'm forgetting, but that's all I could come up with for now. So see you guys later. Off to the next segment.
Good morning, Penridge. I'm Nolan Snyder, back with another installment of Today in Sports History. May 26th, 1987. Trailing the Stanley Cup Final 3-1, the Philadelphia Flyers began a near miraculous push back in the series with a comeback 4-3 road win over the Edmonton Oilers in Game 5 of the series. After trailing by scores of 2-0 and 3-1, the Flyers scored 3 unanswered goals, capped out by Rick Tockett's second tally of the game to put the Flyers ahead to stay with 14:34 left in regulation. Doug Crossman and Pelle Exelund notched 7 second-period goals to draw the Flyers even in the game before intermission. Ron Hextall made 31 saves, including 8 in the third period, to nail down the win. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment.
What's good? I'm MJ McPhelin with your announcements for today. First things first, the mandatory senior survey required to graduate found on Naviance is due today. And to seniors who were selected to receive a senior award, due to the current restrictions, the 2020 senior awards will be presented virtually. You and your family are invited to view the live-streamed ceremony on Penridge TV on Thursday, May 28th at 7 p.m. Numerous awards and scholarships are sponsored by surrounding community businesses, organizations, and families, as well as the Penridge School Board, administration, teachers, clubs, and advisors. We hope you and your family will be able to attend this virtual presentation to celebrate this honor. YouTube.com/PenridgeTV. That's it for us here at the Daily Ramble. Have a great day, Penridge.